Lexus 2015 GS 430 compressor. This compressor problem is sometimes air condition is cold, sometimes not cold. First thing, we open this oil drain bolt for check the compressor it can be repaired or not repaired. This is the oil drain bolt. Open this. It's sometimes working good, sometimes not working. 2015 GS. Open the bolt. Drain the oil from the compressor. If the oil is clean, same this like, this compressor can be repaired. Fix this bolt again. Tight the bolt. Now what do? Open from the grip. Open the grip from the solenoid. If the oil is black, if this oil is black, what you can do? It is not be repair the compressor. You change the whole system of the AC and clean all the pipe, condenser, compressor, everything. This is the lock. I open. What we do? 2 Phillips screwdriver. Open this solenoid. Only change this solenoid. You can job done. Because only this solenoid problem. If the oil is black inside, it cannot be repaired. I order this tomorrow from spare parts AC anywhere spare parts, Amazon, eBay, available this. You change this and you fix the compressor.